So it's October. It's officially spooky season, and fun fact about me, I love a good horror movie. So in true insurance nerd fashion, I thought I would share my favorite insurance and risk management tips that I've learned from some of my favorite horror movies, and we are going to start with Jaws. So hot take. The villain in Jaws, to me, is not the shark. The shark is the hazard. The villain's this guy. The villain's the mayor. Because they told him, shut the beach down. It's going to be dangerous. Shut it down. And he said, no, it's a big holiday weekend. We can't tell families to go home. This is going to be disruptive. We're going to keep the beach open. And the lesson here is this. We see this a lot in risk management. When your environmental health and safety folks tell you, hey, we need to take an action, and that action may shut down production, it may slow down production, they don't make that decision willy-nilly, right? There's a science to measuring the severity of risk, how much risk appetite your organization has, whether it fits into that. They're careful about that decision. So when you have someone in risk management or your EH&S folks who say, hey, we need to take this action and it feels extreme, have that conversation with them. Don't be this guy. Don't automatically dismiss it and say, oh no, that's too disruptive. We don't want to take that action. And I understand. In a horror movie, you have to have somebody who makes the dumb decision. Otherwise, there wouldn't be a movie. Like, don't go down into that dark basement. Of course, nobody's going to do that in real life, right? But don't be the mayor. That's my point. Because in organizations, we actually see that all the time, where there's this dismissive attitude towards some of the safety and loss control measures that risk management or environmental health and safety wants to put in place. And sometimes the arguments are, well, we don't have the budget for that. Right? We don't have money for that. So don't be the mayor. If you identify a hazard, or your risk management team identifies a hazard, make sure that you're listening to them, because there's a lot of time and thought that goes into determining your hazards and which hazards you're going to treat first.